What's going on, everybody? Today, I want to just break down this lesson and I want to talk about CIDR notation because when it comes to subnetting, we always see these kind of numbers, and sometimes we ask ourselves, what are they? What do they mean? So today's lesson is going to be about breaking these numbers down. And what are these numbers called? CIDR notation. So, what does CIDR notation do? So, I'm going to give you guys an example, right? Remember when I have broke down what was a subnetting chart, and I don't know if you guys remember, but we was I think we was doing binary to decimal, and we was doing decimal to binary, and I was actually just teaching you guys how to add the block sizes. So it's almost, when we talk about CIDR, it's almost similar to identifying block sizes. Well, it's not almost, it is. So what I mean by counting in block sizes, for example, right? You see all these numbers right here, right? Starting from 24 to 32. So let's say, for instance, this is a slash 24, right? So this means that all of our bits are going to be on, right? Remember I said there were 32. Well, in case you guys don't know, there are 32 bits in one IP address, right? And this proves it. One block size right here, one block size right here, another one right here. But this one, I didn't add the bits on because this is a slash 24. This is an exact slash 24, so it can't be 32. If it was 32, this group right here, which is called octet, would have been all on, no zeros. So since only these three octets are on, it means that it's a slash 24. Let me give you guys another example. A slash 25 would be whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 24. I have 24 bits on. So slash 25 would be, I'm just adding one more bit, and I have seven zeros left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which equals to slash 25. That will equal to a slash 25. So remember, when we're counting our block sizes, we're always referring to this chart. So a slash 25 will be a block size of 128. If it was 26, it'd be one more bit on, and that'd be a block size of 64. You see how the math is making sense now? All we're doing is counting in block sizes every time it increases. So a slash 27 would be 32. A slash 28 will be a block size of 16, and so on and so on. So I hope I made this a little bit clear. And if there's any questions, y'all could just leave a comment and let me know if we're understanding this. Excuse me for the glare, for the light, and I just hope it's decent to look at. Thank you for watching, y'all. Oh, remember, keep building, keep growing, and keep learning. Peace.